Today I'm going to show you how to make the fluff stitch for this monster purse. The complete free knitting pattern for this purse is available at my website at KweenBee.com. If you would like to download or print the pattern, you can use this QR code right here. The link is also available in the description below. To start, wrap the yarn around your finger and your working needle twice. Then wrap the yarn once around your working needle. Pull the 3 loops through the stitch. Place the 3 loops back on your non-working needle. This is what the 3 loops will look like. We're then going to knit these 3 stitches together. Wrap the yarn around your working needle and knit the 3 loops together. Pass the loops off your finger and your non-working needle. The stitch is now complete. And again. Wrap the yarn around your finger and your working needle 2 times. Wrap the yarn around your working needle once. Pull the 3 loops through the stitch. Transfer the 3 loops onto your non-working needle and knit the 3 loops together. Drop the loops from your finger and your non-working needle. And again, wrap the yarn twice around your finger and the needle, once around the needle. Pull the 3 loops through the stitch. Transfer the 3 loops to the non-working needle. Knit the 3 loops together. Drop all the loops from the needle and your finger. And one last time.